It's a new week. Let's talk about Ethereum. We all know XRP has been stealing the show from all cryptocurrencies. And if you're anything like me, you're watching the XRP price like just rallying and going, oh God, I should have bought. Anyway, we didn't buy, or most of us didn't anyway. We're Ethereum holders, we're Ethereum investors, but don't worry, our time has come. And in fact, it's already coming. And we can know from the Ethereum ETF net inflows, they have been surging. And by the way, they are equaling and in some cases on some days they've been beating Bitcoin. And when you consider Bitcoin is so much bigger in terms of market cap than Ethereum, well, you know we're on to a winner. You can see this in the Bitcoin dominance. It's been falling. You can see it in the Ethereum Bitcoin chart where you can see we've got a very, very nice bounce. Ethereum has actually rallied against Bitcoin 20%. So Ethereum has caught Bitcoin up by 20% in the last week. So it's looking really, really good. The Ethereum dominance is back on the rise as well. And it looks to me like a big bottom pattern. So we know that in the Ethereum high time frame chart, this is the monthly, we know we have this really, really healthy looking cup and handle pattern. You've got this cup that's been forming since November 2021's top. We went through the bottom, the bear market. We formed this cup and handle pattern, and the breakout target is actually huge. And I talk about it in my high time frame, no BS 2025 Ethereum price prediction. But the price analysis that we have from this breakout in 2025 could take us somewhere in the region of $15,000, and I think that's pretty conservative if you ask me. On this kind of medium to high time frame chart for Ethereum, you can see we are on this move up. We've been creating these lower highs, higher lows, higher highs, again from the bear market bottom June 2022. We've recently come up to touch this pretty psychological level of, well, approaching $4,000, and you can see that this center line in the channel actually is playing quite a crucial role in resistance, but ultimately it gets broken to the upside and to the downside, and I think that's what's happening now. So on the lower medium time frame, so if you're looking at buying, trading, holding Ethereum this week, going into Christmas, you can see the current range that we're in. Now, make no bones about it, I remain incredibly bullish on Ethereum. I still have my 1,000 Ethereum position open, over $1 million in the profit, not closing any of that right now. And in fact, I'm going to be extending that position. More about that later in the video and later in the week. But let me talk to you about what I think is next for Ethereum. I am cautious that there might be some low time frame cool off. And the reason I think that is because Bitcoin is cooling off, and also we've met a major resistance level. That major resistance level you can see very, very clearly actually on the monthly level. So to show you, if we go into the monthly chart, we have a monthly resistance at $3,750. When you have a candle close and open and green then red, that's a resistance. If you have a green then red, in the inverse, that's a support, and you can see it was supported down here at 2.5. That's where the liquidation price is on my trade, but the resistance is up here at 3,755. So I think there's some short-term resistance, but what we have, of course, is a lot of support as well, and the support levels are as follows. We do have a nice support at 3.4 to 3,500, but the major support is at $3,000. $3,000 is a major level in the chart, a major psychological level. We could come as low as that, and if we did, of course, you're going to be looking at quite a big sell-off, about 15%, but it's nothing unusual in a bull market rally. So I will be buying this dip that we're experiencing now today, and potentially over the next few days it could happen, but bear in mind there is major support at 3.5 to $3,500. These are buying the dip opportunities because the general direction, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, is up. We're in a bull market. Ethereum hasn't even yet reached its all-time high price, and we know that we're in this beautiful big pattern, this big cup and handle pattern that's going to break to the upside, and not closing any of this nice trade I've got open on Blowfin. Of course, guys, links below for bonuses and trading, and if anyone wants to actually just copy trade me, I literally opened this up on Friday, Haven't really promoted it yet, so it's kind of a first. You can copy trade me now if you have Bybit. So link down below in the description, this link here, Bybit, copy my trades. You can copy my exact strategy that I've been using to make trades like this and many other profitable positions. So yeah, you can copy trade me on Bybit. Hopefully soon on Blowfin as well. Blowfin is a no KYC exchange. So what I want to do is just use some AI to get some key levels for Ethereum as well. And this is CoinGPT. You can analyze any coin in any time frame. Get started now. Free Telegram bot. And you can see here on my screen, we're going to press analyze. And you can analyze any coin in any time frame, but we're going to do Ethereum. This is an Ethereum update. And basically, we're going to see initially on the 1 hour time frame, that's the default, and it's saying to go long. Let's have a look on the 4 hour time frame. I think that's going to be the most useful for this video. And it's going to give us a stop loss and a take profit. And we can see that actually AI is staying long. So the next level take profit is 3,650. But you can see if we go back to our chart, that 3,650 is kind of not even breaking this range. So maybe we need to go possibly into the daily to see what the daily is telling us. Different time frames, guys, give you different perspectives and different levels take profit, stop loss, so it's important to see. But it's still saying go long, but again, that's the top of the range, 3,750. So I think that is a major resistance level. And actually, if you look at this time frame and these levels, the support down at 3,000, the resistance at 3,750, I think I'd be short down to 3,400 and then potentially even $3,000. But on my high time frame trade, not looking to close out any profits right now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Guys, if you haven't already, hit the bell, subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and feel free to check out any one of these on screen before you go. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.